2, 3, 4. 4 seashells. Nice counting. Ooh, what was that? Hey, an octopus. Hey there, octopus. Good question, Z. How many arms does the octopus have? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 arms. Stupendous counting, my friends. I knew I could count on you. Huh. The backyard is up next.
Chicky Poo and Fluff, Barnyard Detective. I'm Chicky Poo, and I'm Fluff, and this is Fluffy, our baby brother. We're using our magnifying glass to look at things really close up. Dummy is using detective skills to figure out what they are. Will you be a detective and help us out? Great! Let's start with... It's black and red. Look, it has spots. And it has lots of legs. What could it be? It's a ladybug. Yeah. Hello, ladybug. Hi. Nice job, detective. Let's find something else to magnify. We're looking really closely. La 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 la. What's this? It's brown and it's swirly and it's moving. What could this be? It's